So I just explained the worst case scenario. I'm now talking about the best case scenario. And here's the best case scenario for the next couple of months. Again, a lot of things have changed. Interest went up significantly. Prices in the first quarter went up already. We had a good first quarter with a lot of transactions in the market compared to last year at least. But in the best case scenario, we are talking about all the good things, what will happen in the future. So after the so-called tariffs from the US against pretty much anyone else, interest jumped. The German government have decided to borrow more money, so the bonds went up, so the interest for people buying real estate went up. And in the best case scenario, we think that's going to go down again, because if you look on the German economy, of course, the German economy is pretty strong. Even we are in a third year of recession now, but it's still comparable stable, and we have a new government. There's less uncertainty, and I'm pretty sure that we're going to fix the issues with the US in terms of the trade war on the European Union. I'm also pretty confident that the war is going to end. Again, this is the best case scenario, and that means that real estate is going to go up in prices. Less and less buyers out there will negotiate because they're just happy to buy, especially when interest is going to go down at least to 3%, maybe 2.5%-ish. I think then we're going to have again a seller's market. At the moment, when we're not talking about the second quarter 2025, we see very, very, very few people contacting us to buy. That means that all these people who are now waiting to buy, they will all come back to the market in maybe summer this year, and then we're going to have a jump in prices. So that's the best case scenario for you guys out there. If you believe that's going to happen, you should wait as a seller before you go down the prices, because maybe prices will go up in summer. And if you think as a buyer that's the best case scenario, then you should go to the market today, because today you can negotiate prices.